this problem, you will need to enable SMB 1.0 support. Begin by performing a right-click on the Start button, then select Run. In the Run window, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter or click OK. This action will open the Programs and Features window. Within this window, locate and click on the option that says Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will appear displaying a list of Windows features. Scroll down this list and find SMB File Sharing Support. Expand this option by clicking the plus sign next to it. Ensure that both the SMB CIFS client and SMB CIFS server boxes are checked. After making these selections, click OK. Windows will then proceed to install the necessary SMB 1.0 client components. It is important to note that you will need to repeat these same steps on both the server and the client machines if they are separate. Once the features are enabled, you will be prompted to restart your computer. After your computer has restarted, you should find that you are now able to map network drives successfully. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.